Welcome. If you've been wondering how to delete your address from your Facebook page using your PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to remove your address information, all updated for the latest version of Facebook. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it to open the menu. From the drop-down, select your page. This will take you directly to your Facebook page where you manage your business or community. Once you're on your page, look for the menu on the left side and click on the About section. This is where all your page's details are stored, including your address. Now scroll down until you find your address listed. Next to your address, you'll notice a small icon that looks like 3 dots. This is the More icon. Click on it to reveal additional options. From the menu that pops up, select Delete. Facebook will ask you to confirm your choice, just to make sure you really want to remove your address. Click Confirm to finalize the process, and that's it. Your address has now been successfully deleted from your Facebook page. This change is immediate, so your page visitors will no longer see your address information. Remember, keeping your page information up to date is important, but you also have full control over what you share. If you ever need to add or update your address again, you can do so from the same section. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions or need help with other Facebook features. See you in the next video.